Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start now by making a copy of the document so undo issues won't bite you. Once copied, open Find and replace via Ctrl+H or Command+Shift+H. You want rejects mode enabled. Make sure to check Match using regular expressions. Then paste this pattern into Find, \B, \W+, \S+, \1 B, which targets consecutive duplicate words. You'll see highlights for repeats like the. Don't replace yet. Scan results to confirm they're true duplicates and not intentional repetitions. Once you've handled consecutive duplicates, move to non-consecutive repeats by selecting all text and pasting into Google Sheets. Use split-on spaces and punctuation, then flatten and countif to surface words repeated across the document. Alternatively, run an app script, iterate words, normalize case and punctuation, and build a frequency map to list words above a threshold. Make sure to ignore common stop words if you only want unusual duplicates. This reduces false positives and keeps the results actionable. To finish, switch to suggesting mode so you can accept or reject each duplicate fix. That preserves context. Replace selectively for ambiguous cases, or run a controlled replace all only after testing on a small sample. If your rejects isn't finding matches, make sure punctuation isn't attached to words, convert smart quotes to plain quotes, and normalize line breaks. If problems persist, run the app's script to export flagged instances to a sheet and review them manually. This single troubleshooting step solves most edge cases.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.